Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue create our custom hook, and if you didn't see my last video you can go to my channel. In last video we'll create use the bones hook, and today we're going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create a useHover hook. This hook helps us detect when an element is being hovered over, which is useful for making interactive UIs. Okay, let's start it. First we'll create new file for our hook. Its name will be useHover, and add extension JS, and in this time we need three hooks from React. Import our three hooks. First hook will be useState, second useRef, and also we need useEffect. Okay, and now we can start create our hook. Create new const and name our hook useHover, and create our function. We don't have any arguments this time. And now we need to create state. It will be our hover state. Create new const, and we can name this state hovered. And also create set hovered and correct this mistake. Okay, now we can use our use state, and it will be boolean state. Default we can use false. Okay, and next we need to create ref. Create new const, and we can name ref this const, and you call our use ref. Okay, and default add null. Okay, and now we can use our use effect. Create function and also create array with dependencies. This time we'll have only one dependencies. We'll be watch for ref current using our ref and property current. Okay, and now we need to create two functions. These functions will watch on our mouse. We need to create mouse over and mouse out. Create two constant and add name. We can name handle mouse over. Okay, and we'll create arrow. And now we can use our set hovered. When people mouse over, we need to change our state into true. Okay, and also create handle mouse out, and when people mouse out, let's change our state. Let's add false. Okay, we created two functions. Okay, and next let's create a node. Will be get ref current, and now we can create condition. If node isn't empty, we can create add event listener using our node and add event listener. We need two event listener for mouse over and mouse out. Create first, and for mouse over we can use our function handle mouse over. Okay, and also copy this code, but change mouse over into mouse out. Also change function. Okay, our hook almost ready, but we also need to think about optimization, and we need to remove our event listeners when our component will be unmounted. We can use return and create new function, and this function will be remove our events this code and also change add. Now we need to use remove. Okay, and also use remove here. Okay, and in the end we need to return two elements from our hook. Return array and ref and our hover. Okay, and in the end we need to export our hook. Okay, now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Our app.jsx and import our hook. First we need to initialize new const and we can use destructurization, and first we get hover ref, and next we need to get state is hover or not. Okay, and call our hook use hover. Okay, and now let's create some markup. Create new div. And we need to create ref for our div. Create ref and add our hover ref. Okay, and also let's print our is hover. Create condition, and if hover true, we can print hover is true. Or if our hover false, we can print hover is false. Okay, let's open our browser and look at the window. Like you see, our hook is work and we get real-time information when user hover on our element. It's very useful hook when we need to work on specific task. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.